Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download and sign up for the Shein account. So Shein is an online platform for shopping that helps you connect with different forms of items that you want to buy for yourself. So it is now available at the tip of your fingertips because it is now available on an app. So if you'd like to know how you can download and sign up for the Shein app so that you can help flourish your shopping spree, this is what you need to do. For this, first of all, head over to your app store, and then on the bottom right corner you can see a search icon. Tap on it, and on the search bar type in Shein. After you type in Shein, you will land on an interface like this. Tap on the very first option and then tap on the Get button in order to start downloading the app. After the app gets downloaded, tap on the Open button, and now you'll be directed towards the app. So wait until the app completely loads for yourself. And after your app loads, you'll be able to land on the shop section. But since you're trying to create an account, go to the Me section on the bottom right corner. And as you go to the Me section, tap on Yep, tap on Allow so that Shein can send you notifications. Go back to the Me section. And now what you can do here is you can see an option that says sign in or register. So tap on it. After you are directed towards a page like this, you can register by going to the register section, or you can also join with Google and Facebook. So make sure that you use a particular platform that's easier for you. Here I'm just going to register by using my email address. So I'm just going to type in my email address over here, and after doing this, I'm going to also set up a password for my account. So here it says 8 characters minimum, at least 1 letter and 1 number, and then tap on register. After tapping on register, here it says the registration has been successful, so tap on confirm. And when you go to Me, you'll be able to see that you've already been logged into your account. So this is basically how you can sign up for your account. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that this video has guided you. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.